Create a stunning UI UX design with Midjourney, Tutorial Midjourney 2023. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video, and in this video I am going to be showing you a great and amazing method of creating a great artistic UX or UI design using a great AI art generator called Midjourney. Now, I'm pretty sure most of you over here have heard about Midjourney because, come on, Midjourney is in nowadays. Like most of the world nowadays who's into digital designing and art is using Midjourney because of its extremely upscaled images of the great AI art, extremely detailed. It's not abstract like, you know, all the others like Dolly, Stable Diffusion, etc. It's extremely great. Doesn't take a lot of time, doesn't take a lot of space on your laptop or computer or whatever system you're working on. It just works amazingly. So we're going to be discussing it in great depth, so please make sure to watch this video till the end and listen to all the information I have to provide you with. So without further ado, let's begin. Basically, this is Midjourney, okay? This is the main Midjourney website. It's called midjourney.com. Now, what you're going to do once you're over here is you're going to come down here and click on join the beta. So what this will do is they will basically give you an invite for Discord. Yes, Midjourney is a Discord based application. So as you can see, this is the Midjourney Discord server, and it's like an amazing Discord based server. And it works pretty fast, works pretty good. But before getting into, you know, this, I'm going to go ahead and discuss like the different art styles that Midjourney provides you. So as I said, you're just going to go and join the beta and you're going to join it straight away. But before getting into that, let's discuss a bit about this. As we can see, Midjourney is an independent research lab exploring new mediums of thought and expanding the imaginative power of the human species. Obviously, it's like a great AI design. A lot of Discord moderators and guides have worked on it, and like a lot of work has been put into this. Now, if you want to see the different art designs that come with Midjourney, what you can do is you can just come here, and as you can see, all these arts, or you can just come down here, click on showcase. Now, once you click on showcase, you're going to come to the community showcase where people have created designs and uploaded them. So as you can see, look at these designs, look at this art, look at how cool all of this looks. And if you hover over them, you can also see the commands people use. So as you can see, this person wrote Japanese calligraphy with a Japanese sword in the style of figurative simplicity Yaka art. So as you can see, people have created great arts, and look at this photo, for example. This looks extremely realistic. How cool is that? And all this person did was just add a few, you know, art styles and stuff like that, and a few prompts, and it made it look amazing. Look at this photo. Like, look at all these arts. They look extremely realistic and they look amazing. So we're going to be basically doing this, and we're just going to make great art out of it. So without further ado, let's just head straight over to Discord. Now, once you're here in Discord, to basically, you're gonna land into their main announcements page, or you might land in their main homepage. And in these pages, basically, they're gonna like welcome you and everything. And once you're welcomed, what you're gonna do is obviously you're gonna have a bit of a difficult time because there's like a lot of servers, so you won't know which one to go in. So basically, what you're gonna do is you're gonna scroll up here, and once you scroll up here, you can either go in the newcomer rooms or you can just go in the general room. I'd recommend going in the newcomer room or the newbies room right now because obviously you're a newbie and you don't really need to go into the upper rooms right now. So what you're going to do is you're just going to go and click on newbies 29 or any of these other ones under there. And once you do that, you're just going to scroll to the bottom. And once you scroll to the bottom, all you're going to do is you're going to come to the chat bar, write /, you're going to write imagine. And it's going to give you this prompt. So you're just going to click enter. And now you're into the prompt. Now you're just going to go ahead and write anything. And it's going to make that for you. So we're here to discuss UX and UI design. So you can be like UI design of a, you could say, or you know what? You could write calorie tracking software. Let's write that. And once you write that, you're going to click enter. Now, once you click enter, what it's going to do is it's just going to start loading. Trust me, it takes like maximum, it takes a minute. It does not take more than a minute. And trust me, it like works wonders. So as you can see, it's already started to load up. And look at that. So it's going to show you a meter right there. So as you can see, it's 31% right now, and it's just going to take a few more seconds. You can even like tell for like a second over here that it's already starting to look pretty good. It's already starting to look pretty decent. So 62, now it's 78%, and it's already, so like you can get a glimpse of what we're about to get. And once it's done, we're gonna go to the bottom and look at that. This looks amazing, and it actually looks like a great calorie tracker. Like, I did not expect it to make it this good. It looks really amazing. Now let's say, like, if we were at the photos over here, let's say you like the third photo, this one right here. Okay, you like this photo, but you want it to be bigger. You want it to be this is the only photo you want. So what you're gonna do, you're going to come here. As you can see, it says U1, U2, U3, U4, etc. U basically means upscale. V means variations. So let's say you want to upscale this third one. So you're just going to click on U3. And once you click on that and scroll down, as you can see, we're going to scroll down. As you can see, you have an upscaled version of that photo. And to download it, all you're going to do is you're going to like click on web, okay? Or you can just click on this photo, click on open in browser. And as you can see, this photo is going to be open here. Just go right click on it, click on save image as, and you're going to download it. And look at how, like, you can already tell how great this looks. Now, let's say you want to make variations as well. So basically, if you come up here, okay, let's say you want to make variations of the, let's make variations of the first photo, okay? What you're going to do is you're just going to click on V1. And once you click on V1, it's going to give you 4 more photos, which are going to be variations of the first photo of like the first design. So we're just going to wait for it to load us in. It's just like going to take a few seconds. And as you can see, it's already started giving us different variations of the main design. And like, as you can see, this is how you work around with the Midjourney design. Now, one last thing. Make sure, like, I gave it a pretty vague description, but like I only wrote 2 lines or 2 sentences. Like what you can basically write, like UX design of a software that keeps a schedule for your gym time. You could say dark color grading, and then you could say more things like good design. And then you could say laptop, you know, maybe it's a laptop software, something like that. And yeah, once you enter all of that, as you can see, you need to give it a more detailed analysis of like your prompts. And once you put in all that, you're going to see that it's going to give you a great and amazing design. So yeah, this is like pretty much it. As you can see, it's already starting to give me a dark aesthetic design. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. If you enjoyed it, please drop down a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you want to see more videos like this in the future, please let me know down in the comments below and I'll make more for you. And if you have any issues with something that I told you or something that I missed, please let me know that as well, and I'll make more informative videos for you. But yeah, until then, I hope you all have a great and amazing and incredible day. As you can see, gym appointment app has been made on our laptop with a dark aesthetic. Looks great. But yeah, that's about it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you all next time. Goodbye.